So now that we have made our hello world, let's try and make our first application. So this is exactly where we were at hello world, and when we ran that application, hello world got printed on the mobile screen. So what we will do in this application is try and make an application that wishes good morning. So what do we do here? So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to delete this hello world. So I have deleted the hello world. So now I have an empty screen here on my design, and I will go to layouts and I will choose linear layout vertical and put it on the screen, and it will fill the whole screen as you can see. Then I will go to text and take a text view and add it here. Why will I add a text view? Because this is the text view where we will print good morning, and I will just expand it a little bit so that it's little bigger. Now I need a button, so I will go to all, and here I can see a button, so I'll drag a button and put it below the text button. On the text button, you can see this button, so here I will say wish. So why am I saying wish? So that when we press wish, the good morning is what the screen shows. Okay, so I have the text view and now I have the button. So in button, at times you don't see an ID coming here. Can you see this point? So here let me put in a field called button 1. So I will name this as button 1 and it shows up here. So my button is known as button 1 and my text view is known as text view. Now that my design is over, I will go to the code. So for the code, I will go to main activity.java. So I have gone to main activity.java and now I need to declare my button and my text view. So my text view, so control enter. So text view with a control enter, it's giving me my text view. Okay, and let's make the variable name say t view, and then I have to put in a button, so it shows up. Now I press enter and let's call the button say b1. So these are my declarations. Now within the code, what I will do is I need to initialize them. So how do I do? So t view is equal to, and in brackets it's text view, and then after the brackets I will write find view. So find view by ID, it shows up, and R, capital R dot ID dot. Now after dot I will start typing text view and it shows up text view. So this is the name of the text view we had added, and I will put a semicolon. Similarly, I need to initialize button. So b1 is equal to, in this case in brackets I will get buttons, find view by ID, same thing, R dot ID dot button, and we gave it the name button 1. You remember that? So I will on button 1 and semicolon. Sorry, I did a typo here. So now this is fine. Now I have created my button and my text view in my code. So the next thing I want to do is when I press on the button, it should print good morning. So how do we do that? So I will say b1 dot set. You can see on set on click listener. So I will click on it. And now inside this, I'll start typing new view on click listener. So the moment I click on view dot on click listener, this opens up. Okay, you can see it. And here now what I need to do in the text view, I need to print good morning. So how will we do that? T view, that is the name of the text view, dot set text. So text set text, and what will I say in that set text? Good morning Edufect. So good morning Edufect is what I say on the screen. And now my code is over and I am ready to run it again. So now let me run it. So my emulator was running. Let me try and run this code. So here you can see Gradle build running. So this is building it. If it takes a little bit time, be patient. Let the build get over. So the build is now over. As you can see, now it's installing the APKs. So you need to be a little bit patient. Be a little bit patient. Now I can see wish. And now when I clicked on the wish, what came up was good morning Edufect. So when I click on this wish, I get my good morning Edufect. So now we have successfully made our first Android app, which is wish good morning. Okay. So is this clear? So what we need to do is follow all these steps exactly and make and run this application. Okay.